Today we have an unbagging of my order, one piece of my 3-piece order from Everyday EDeals. This was my first order with Everyday EDeals. I really wanted to try them out though after watching other YouTubers unbox their orders and seeing that they were good quality. So I'm just going to choose one. I actually ended up unwrapping all of them, opening all of them, just so you didn't have to see me struggle with the bags, because who needs to see that? Nobody. Let's pick one. So today let us unbag, whatever this is. I ordered 3 paintings. This is the first one will be unbagging, and the other ones I'll unbag in separate videos. Let's take a look. Okay, I think I can kind of see through the canvas as to which one this is. I'm excited. So it's a partial cat painting. Let's see if we can fit all of it in. Let me just try and loosen this up a little. I am going to have to redo some of my desk area because it's not leaving a lot of room for working. Did that do anything? Maybe. Just loosening it up so I can straighten it out and show you guys. Okay, so here's the kitty. It's a partial painting. We'll take a look. Over here is the legend. It looks like there are 12 different colors. So the legend is also in the top right and the bottom left, which is nice. And let's take a look at the drill field. So you can see the drills aren't going to cover the entire thing because it is a partial. Pretty clear. I mean, I don't think that I'll have trouble reading the symbols at all. I just really love this cat. I think he's so pretty. It came with the typical starter kit. So the pen, the wax piece, and the tray, and a couple baggies. Then, what I really want to look at, and what you guys are probably interested in as well, are the drills. So let's take a look at these. Ooh, so fancy, so shiny. So these are special drills. They're not your average just resin plastic ones. They're like little crystals. This purple color is super nice. Red, silver, big red pieces, teardrops if you would call them. Little purple ones I really like. They're kind of pearlescent. Green, yellow, and an orangey color. I think, like, from just looking at them through their packaging right now, I think that they do look like they're good quality, and I'm not going to have, hopefully, a lot of trash from them. Take a look at the canvas again. So the eyes are just going to remain as the canvas. I like the overall color. It is a 30 by 30. That's probably the size of this entire canvas. So it'll probably just be a little bit less than 30 centimeters. And yeah, so that's this painting, and I'm going to actually prep this one because this is the one I want to work on, and then I'll unbag the other ones in a different video. So what I'll do to prep this, or kit it up as the cool kids say, is I'm going to be using this storage container and then I'm just going to put labels and number them, and then I'll only need 12 of these boxes, but I'm going to be using this storage, and then I'll go ahead and start diamond painting it.
3 hours later.
So it's a magic video. I actually finished the diamond painting. Here it is in all its glory. Take a look close up. I went ahead and sealed it with Mod Podge. This is the glue that I used. Mod Podge Gloss Luster. And it will dry clear. As you can see, there are still little white areas where the glue hasn't dried yet, so we'll give it, it's only been like a couple hours since I actually glued it, or an hour or two. This probably took me 2.5 hours, 3 hours yesterday to complete it. So I did the unboxing video yesterday, and I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna do it. So I did it. This is how I kitted it up, as I mentioned earlier in the video. And I think it turned out really well. I had fun doing it. I think that I'm going to stay away from getting partial paintings for a little bit, just because it's not as satisfying as full diamond paintings. This cost, it's a 30 by 30. The cost was $3.99 US, so about, I'd say like $5 Canadian. Shipping was about $10 Canadian. I did order 3 paintings though, so kind of evens out. And yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. I'll probably mount it onto a canvas or a foam core so it will stand up and be on display in my place. And that's about it. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. And again, please subscribe to my channel, show some support, give it a thumbs up if you like this video, and I'll be back with more unboxings from Shop Everyday EDeals. Bye!